So you have this data sheet here with dates along this column and maybe some other information that you have here that you'd want to keep with row by row. Now you want to sort by date. You see these are not in order, and you want to sort by the earliest. So let's go ahead and click this right here. And if we go up to data, sort sheet, we can go to sort sheet by column A. Now watch what happens when we do that. Oh, what happened? Our header row went all the way to the bottom. That's because we didn't set it as a header row. Let's go back now. We click the undo button. All right, what I want to do now is freeze this row as a header row. So you do view, freeze, one row. Now, as you scroll, you can see that row stays in place, which is nice. So now when we edit or when we highlight our cells and we go to data, sort range, sort by column A. Oh, now that heading row stays there nice and neat, which is just lovely for us.